installing Cognifront product is very easy. Any product for that matter. I'll show you a civil engineering installation, but this step is same for every Cognifront product. So when you insert the DVD, this is how you will see. There is a setup file which I have selected. You have to run that setup file. I'm just zooming up. So this is a setup file. All you have to do is run this setup file by double clicking it. It will give you two options. One, to exit the installation if you change your mind, or there is install button. So click on it. Once you click install, the product starts installing. It will copy all the media and all the relevant data onto your computer. This step takes around 2 to 3 minutes depending on your computer configuration. During this installation procedure, you might be asked a prompt about Adobe Air software, which is Adobe Integrated Runtime. That will come up in just a minute. Now in this case, it is telling us that the product is installed, Adobe Air. You have to click on close. Now once all goes well, you have an option to launch the product. Just click on the launch. Once you click on the launch, the product starts, and this prompt, which is about updating Adobe Air, you can update later also. So just move ahead there. Now you will be asked to enter the license key. Now this license key has been provided to you by your reseller or from your college or your bookseller or Cognifront team, anywhere that you got a key from. Just enter the key and click on activate. You will need internet connection. Once all goes well, you will be presented with a license agreement. Read carefully. This is an important agreement between you and Cognifront. If you do not agree to this, you can cancel at this point of time. But once you accept the license agreement, and then you are legally bound for the usage terms. So click on the accept. Once you accept, the product starts in its full glory, and you will be able to access all the sections. This process is same for all the Cognifront products. If you need any help, visit our website or feel free to call us anytime. Thank you.